Won't you come and play?
And what about another song? Is that the right light?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to sing the ABCs now.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
P.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Yay!
A, B, C.
Now let's sing Take Me Out to the Ball Game.
Take
Me out to the ball game.
this a caterpillar.
Where?
Right there.
Where? I don't see a caterpillar.
That one.
Did you see a caterpillar?
There was a little one.
And where did we go the other day?
The cracker store.
To the cracker store. Did we go to the temple?
Yeah.
And who did we see there?
Here we are.
And who else was there? The rabbi.
Of the rabbi.
And what did he do?
A talk.
He was talking? Did he blow the shofar?
Yes.
Yep. You gonna say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
You gonna say Good Yontif?
Ganyanta.
Let me see you say it again.
Ganyanta.
Say Shalom, everybody.
Shalom.
Say Shalom.
Shalom.
And say, my name is Mikla.
My name is Mikla.
Say Mikla Glowacki.
Mikla go at you will Mikla too.
No, I'm Adina. I'm Adina Glowacki.
You were not Dina.
I am Dina.
You were P.
I'm a what?
You would
Let me see you blow mommy a kiss. Oh.